Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon daikon. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 salmon fillets, each around 6 ounces, and 1 large daikon radish about 10 inches long. For the sauce, prepare 1/4 cup each of soy sauce, mirin, and sake. Also, have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 cup of dashi stock on hand. These simple components will create a delicious and authentic dish. Now, let's prepare our main ingredients. Peel the daikon radish and cut it into rounds, about 1 inch thick. Make a shallow crosshatch score on one side of each daikon piece. This helps it absorb the wonderful flavors. For the salmon, gently pat the fillets dry with paper towels and season them lightly with salt. Ensure any pin bones are removed for a pleasant eating experience. Next, we'll pre-cook the daikon. Place the prepared daikon rounds in a pot and cover them with rice washing water or plain water if you don't have it. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook for about 15 minutes until the daikon is slightly tender. Drain the daikon thoroughly and rinse it under cold water. This crucial step helps remove any bitterness and ensures a wonderfully soft texture. Finally, let's bring it all together. Arrange the pre-cooked daikon and salmon fillets in a wide, shallow pot. Pour in the dashi stock, soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar mixture. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily. Serve your delicious salmon daikon immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh scallions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.